Hello everyone, my name is NewBeeDrone and it's my pleasure to participate in NewBeeDrone's new technology internal testing, and this is our new technology. It is a brand new 1SFPB battery which made by NewBeeDrone. So somebody is going to say what's the difference between this new one and the ordinary battery. So let's get started. We have developed a new kind of plug which name is NX69. It has higher performance than BT 2.0 and PH 2.0. Our new batteries block, which name is NX69's peak current is about 26.38A and is 4.81% higher than BT 2.0. The conductivity is 69.6% higher than BT. The battery's internal resistance is only 18.9 ohms. Let's unbox it. Here we go. Here are 4 batteries and NX69. These are all the same in the box. Let's look at this new plug. It is actually really similar to PH 2.0, but it's not. And our new battery is also can be plugged into PH 2.0, like Hummingbird V4. So it uses PH charger to charge it. Instead, the PH battery cannot be plugged into NX69. I don't know why, but it can. Now let's talk about the main reason to buy it. At first is it is actually really cheap. It is only $2 for one piece. And second is it has higher performance.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display.
Thanks for the NewBeeDrone company giving me the chance to test the battery. And what I want to say is, if you have PH 2.0 plug on your drone, you can buy this battery. It's much cheaper than regular PH 2.0 battery. And it is also has higher performance than PH 2.0.